out pajamas for me. I'm gonna spend the night at my boyfriend's house. Okay. Okay, which one? Blue or red? Which one? No. Now you can go open your home.